Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sort by date in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you're managing project timelines, tracking deadlines, or simply need to organize your data chronologically to see what's coming up next or what's already been completed. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly so you can access all your sheets and projects. After logging in, you'll land on the Smartsheet homepage where all your existing files and folders are displayed. Take a moment to browse through your workspace and locate the specific sheet you want to sort by date. Once you found it, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now, once your sheet loads, you'll need to highlight all the columns that contain the data you want to sort by date. This is an important step because Smartsheet will only sort the data you've selected, so make sure you've captured all the relevant information in your selection. Click and drag across the column headers to highlight them, or you can click on the first column header and then hold Shift while clicking the last column header to select multiple columns at once. With your columns highlighted, right-click on any of the selected column headers. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and select Sort Rows. This is the feature that will allow you to organize your data based on specific criteria, in this case, by date. A dialog box will appear with sorting options. In the Sort Items by dropdown, select the column that contains the dates you want to sort by. This tells Smartsheet which column to use as the primary sorting criteria. You'll also see options to choose between Sort Ascending, which arranges dates from earliest to latest, or Sort Descending, which does the opposite, showing the most recent dates first. Choose whichever order makes the most sense for your workflow. Below that, you'll notice a Then By option. This allows you to add a secondary sorting criteria if needed, but for now, you can simply select None since we're only sorting by date. Once you've configured these settings, click OK to apply the sort. Smartsheet will immediately reorganize your highlighted data or columns based on the date column you selected, arranging everything in the order you specified. And there you have it, your Smartsheet data is now sorted by date, making it much easier to track timelines and manage your projects efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.